Yo, what's up guys, drolby here, and today I want to show you one scammer who's scamming for last like 10 days. You can see like all what he done, and I was going through his account and he's scamming for like 63 days now, but since Pepe went viral, he fully like changed strategy and he kind of like adopted. And this contract is actually, which he is doing, insane. You cannot see that he will scam you, and I will show you everything here. So please share this video so I can get a lot of views and then be a sell-off. Of course, I'm joking, I still didn't accept any partnership, but there is something I want to speak about. So for example, me, who is like 1000 views a video, I'm getting like 5 to 6 promotion offer every single day. Of course, I'm not planning to shill anything, and every single time when they ask me, I tell them that I'm not shilling, but I can do honest research about their project if contract is good, if it's not like obvious scam, and after that not a single person wants to continue. So still, I didn't make any money from this account, and also my channel is not monetized, so all these like 50 videos which I did it absolutely for free, and also in future I will not accept any single shill. So yeah, please share this video so a lot of people can see it, and there is like insane amount of people which got scammed. Over here I put everything in spreadsheet so I can like show you how much money he stole, how much he actually like invested in all of this, and how many people got scammed. And when we go over here, it's gonna be higher and higher numbers. Over here, those are not like correct names, but he was using like really weird names, and I don't want to like show it. You can see it over here if you want to, but like I don't want to show it over here because like this will be our main focus. So how we gonna do it? Over here, all those like weird names, I believe those were all like tokens where he was like testing the contract, and then I will like reveal more and more tokens. And when we come over here, you're gonna see like that this increased a lot. And now first of all I want to show you how he is actually scamming people. So for example, let's see this random creation, it's called Goku, and if you click over here it has like 76 people who bought into it. And for example, if you want to go and take this contract to token sniffer, which is extremely good, I'm also like using it personally, and over here in like matter of seconds it shows you everything what you're probably interested in. For example, this is not a honeypot, fees are 0%, ownership is renounced, so there is no way he can do anything like weird and steal your money. And then over here that creator is not having more than 5% of supply, it has 0, it says. And this here is red, but if he didn't steal the money out, it would be also green. Like you can see, contract is 0 from 100, and like now you will probably all be, but drolby, this is warning, like this is flagged by administrator that this is scam. Yes, now, but like first 30 or 40 minutes until he scam, this is 100 out of 100, and this is the main issue. This is later when he scam. So any creation he does is 100 out of 100, everything is perfect. He burned liquidity, he renounced contract, it's not a honeypot, but guess what? It actually is. So if we take this, if we put it in Dex tool and we see what the hell was going on over here. So there was like when he created it, and you can see over here that like a lot of people bought in, and the thing is, it's actually honeypot. Over here it's saying it's not honeypot, but it is. You cannot sell it. And what is even like weirder, there are bots with frontline, and I don't understand how this actually works, because bots can buy and sell, but normal retail investors cannot. So then I'm asking myself, is this maybe then like his own bots which are buying and selling? But then over here you can see address E13, which is this Jared from Subway, and we all probably heard about it, and there is no way that this guy have any connections to him. So I don't really understand how this works, but bots can clearly like buy and sell and steal like your money before this guy, and no other of those people can sell. So it's definitely a honeypot, and the reason how I even find this thing is that he actually like scanned me twice, and then I went and I researched what he is doing, and this is what I find out. So if you see over here, max total supply is 1, I believe that's billion, it doesn't matter, but if we go to holders, you can see that in Uniswap right now there is like so much more than what is max total supply. So he minted tokens and then sell them. And since like ownership is renounced, and since like creator wallet does not hold like more than 5%, this is like all wrong. So what he done? So somehow this guy mint a lot of tokens and then sell it, and he's doing this with this profile over here, last transaction. It's this profile, and every single one of those tokens which he creating, he's selling with this address over here, and that's how I connected him. And remember that this is 893. So when I went and I checked the contract of this, like over here, if I go down, you can see that we can see his address 893, but if someone know what all of this means, please let me know, because I'm not that good. And this is how he's doing it. Every single time he is burning like around $3,800, and since he is minting a lot of tokens, more than like this LP and so on, he's getting this money back. So he's basically having no losses. Only loss with which we can see is when we go to transactions and then creator of a contract. You can see that every single time when he's creating contract, he need to pay like fee, and for example over here he lost $500, but of course he's getting way more. And also if you want to connect it even more, he's sending to every single of wallets where he's creating contract 2.6 ETH, and if you click over here you will see like that he is doing it for a long time. And you can go to last page and he's doing it for like 60 days. I wanted to check if I can connect it with Binance or something where he can be doxxed, so even like if someone want to do even deeper research, but I cannot. So this is the thing. Contract is safe, everything is safe. Even token sniffer is showing that this is full 100% safe to invest. And yeah, now we are coming over here where a lot of people lost the money. So over here you can see that all of these first creations, I would say that those are like tests, because he was using all these like weird names, and I think that he was testing. And also I don't think that this is some crazy organizations which are doing this. I do truly believe that this is one single guy, and it's insane that one single guy in 10 days can steal so much money. But yeah, this was like when Pepe went viral, fee was really cheap, so creating was not expensive at all. You can see that over here he had two really good creation, is this one when he had 81 holder, or this one where he had 94. So on those two, on first one, those 81 people lost $12,000, and over here they lost 16. And then he fully changed strategy, and he decided he don't want to use all these like weird names, and he started to follow trends. So over here he was using Wall Street bets to create like all these like viral names, and you can see that he wasn't so lucky until over here. And you can also see that price of creating contracts started to go up, because like all these retail investors started to come into space, and basically fee is insane. But so far this was the best, and he invested only $600. He scanned 50 people and he took $13,000 out. Then we are coming over here, and this is where he made most of the money. So he started using a bit better names, and he probably like realized if he is using like same the name all the time, that all these people will realize that this is same person, because like they got burned. But over here you can see that he had multiple like wins. I'm happy because none of this went viral and he didn't steal more money. But the thing is, like, he is going to continue doing this because he's making a lot of money. And this just like show you how much all these like influencers make, because you know that there is like tokens from which like influencers are shilling. They went to 13-14 million market cap, and they eventually like reach zero. So just try to imagine if this guy didn't steal like from 97 people, if he steal from 13,000 holders, how much money he would get out. So you can see that in average he was making like $15,000. This one is the best, almost 100, and he took $21,000. So if we go over here and if we calculate how much people lost the money, you can see that there is 1,503 holders, and those people lost a lot. Just like to show you something extra, 1,503 holders, and there is no like insider holders because this guy don't need it. He just like fully sell it, so he don't want to buy first. He wants to wait like other people that they buy, and then they think ownership renounced, burned, everything is safe, I cannot lose if I buy, and then they got burned. So 1,503 holders, and let's say that average transaction was $40. Only on fees, those people over here lost $60,000. So casual investors, like people which want to make money, people which think that this is like life-changing moment because they found it so early, they lost $60,000 only for transaction fees. Then we are coming to calculate how much this guy paid for all this creation of this like last 10 days project, and you can see that he paid $14,000, which, if we're gonna be honest, is not a lot of money because like one project can pay for all of that. And then the most interesting part, how much money this guy made altogether. So only that one guy, I believe there is no more, just one, he made $330,000 in last 10 days with starting $4,000. This is fully insane, but if we put this over here, we also need to calculate that there is like 38 projects which he made, and for every single one of them he paid $3,800 in average for burning like liquidity, which means 144,000 he put and burned liquidity. I already explained you that he got that money back, but all this is calculated in it. So we definitely need to like minus that number with original amount, and that means that he made $186,000 in only 10 days. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question you can go on my Twitter, link in description, and I will answer on every single question you have, so don't be scared to reach me out. And please remember, description only, not comments or something scammy, otherwise you will get scammed.